How to remove CapCut logo from video. 2025 updated method. If your videos always end with the CapCut ending logo and you want to remove it permanently, this tutorial will show you the correct and updated method for 2025. Step 1. Open CapCut and create a new project. Open the CapCut app on your phone. Tap New Project and import the video you want to edit. Step 2. Scroll to the end of your timeline. When your video loads, drag the timeline to the very end. You will see a small clip labeled CapCut. This is the ending logo. Step 3. Delete the ending logo. Tap on the CapCut ending clip. A menu will pop up at the bottom. Tap Delete. The logo is now removed from your video. Step 4. Remove the logo automatically in future projects. To avoid the CapCut logo appearing again in new projects, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Turn off the option Add Default Ending. Now CapCut will never add its logo to your videos again. Step 5. Export your video without watermark. After removing the logo, tap Export in the top right corner. Choose your resolution and frame rate. CapCut will now export your video without any watermark. Outro. And that's it. This is how you remove the CapCut ending logo and stop it from appearing in all future videos. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more editing tips.